Good morning, students. In the last class, we learned about fractions, and today we will learn decimals. What are decimals? What are decimal fractions? Fractions whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000 are called decimal fractions. Now, decimal has two parts. First is whole number part. And second is decimal part. What is whole number part? Whole number part is before the decimal point. A decimal part is after the decimal point. For example, we will take one example, 41.86. Then here 41 is whole number part, and 86 is decimal part. Okay. Now the second position after the decimal part is represent tenth and is called first decimal, is called second decimal part. For example, the first position after the decimal point represent tenth and is called first decimal part. For example, we first for we can take 41.86 ही है. तो 6 जो है, 6 is first position, first decimal part, and it is we can write here tenths. Second decimal parts we will write after decimal. Second decimal part we will write hundredth. We have studied all this in previous class also, in 6th standard. Any extra zero or zeros written as the end of decimal numbers does not change its value. Example, 2.3 is same as 2.30, is same as 2300. That means any extra zero, here 1 0 is there, here 2 zeros are there, it means that extra zeros written at the end of decimal numbers does not change its value. Okay. Then another rule is the decimal number having equal number of decimal places are called like decimals. For example, like decimals. For example of like decimal is we can take 3.50, then 2.95, 1.04. These all have after point, these all have two numbers, then it means they are like decimals. Then unlike decimals. Unlike decimals are decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Example, 2.5, 3.21, 4.06, etc. Okay, these are unlike decimals. Now, while adding or two or more decimals, write the decimal numbers one below the other in such a way that the decimal point of one number lies directly below the decimal point of the other. Now add the number in is as usual. Okay, these are some points of decimals. Okay, I think you have understood all what I have said, and thank you for today.